If you want to become a full YouTube partner, let me break it down in the clearest way possible so you actually understand every step instead of getting lost in rumors, half-truths, and confusing advice. Being a YouTube partner isn't just about uploading videos. It's about meeting specific requirements, turning on the right settings, following the right rules, and proving to YouTube that you're a serious creator who's ready for monetization. So let's go through the exact steps one by one, and by the end of this, you'll know everything you need to do to unlock ads, revenue, perks, and the full YouTube Partner Program. The first step is simple but non-negotiable. You need a Google account connected to a YouTube channel. That channel needs to be in good standing, meaning no active community guidelines strikes, no copyright problems, and nothing that violates YouTube's policies. A channel with problems cannot join the program, so make sure everything is clean, safe, and compliant. Step 2 is all about consistency. Before you can make money, you need content. YouTube isn't going to put ads on a blank channel. You need videos uploaded, and not just random videos once every few months. You need consistent content that shows YouTube you're building an audience. Uploads are the foundation of the partner program. Without them, you won't get the watch time or the views you need to qualify. Step 3 is eligibility, and this is where most creators get confused, so let's make it simple. YouTube gives you 2 different ways to qualify for the partner program. The first way is the classic requirement that most people know about. You must reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past 12 months. But there's a second option that a lot of people miss. Instead of watch hours, you can qualify with 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. That means if you're posting shorts that go viral, you can become a YouTube partner way faster than using long-form videos. You only need to hit one of these paths, not both. So choose the one that matches the type of content you make. Step 4 is turning on 2-step verification. YouTube won't let you monetize without it because your channel has to be secure. If someone hacks your account or if your login isn't protected, YouTube is not going to risk tying ads and money to it. So make sure 2-step verification is turned on for the Google account connected to your channel. Step 5 is following all the policies. YouTube checks 3 big policy categories before approving you: community guidelines, copyright rules, and the monetization policies. That includes things like reused content, repetitive content, AI-generated content, content you didn't create yourself, and anything that's not advertiser-friendly. You don't have to be perfect, but your channel has to show original content, safe content, and consistent content that advertisers would actually want to run ads on. If anything on your channel violates the rules, YouTube may reject you until you fix it. Step 6 is applying. Once you hit the requirements, your channel dashboard inside YouTube Studio will unlock a button that says Apply. You click it, and YouTube gives you 2 agreements to accept. The first is the base terms. You have to agree to YouTube's general monetization rules. The second agreement is for the type of monetization you want. For example, ads, fan funding, YouTube shopping, and other features each have their own agreements. You accept the ones you want to participate in. Step 7 is connecting your AdSense account. YouTube cannot pay you unless you have an AdSense account linked. If you don't have one, you'll create it. If you already have one from before, you will connect the same account. AdSense is what tracks your earnings. It's where your payments show up, and it's the only way YouTube sends money to creators. Step 8 is the review process. Once everything is submitted, YouTube takes time to analyze your channel. They look at your videos, your content style, your upload history, your compliance with policies, and whether your channel is stable and safe for advertisers. The review usually takes anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. Some people get approved fast, others take longer. It depends on how complex your content is and how busy the review team is. Step 9 is approval and activation. Once YouTube approves your channel, monetization officially turns on. At that moment, you will start seeing the $ icons appear next to your videos. You can turn monetization on or off for each individual video, and YouTube will start serving ads once everything is set. This is the part where you finally start earning real money from your views. Step 10 is continuing to follow the rules. Becoming a YouTube partner doesn't mean your channel is safe forever. You must continue following all guidelines, all copyright rules, and all advertiser-friendly rules. If you violate the policies after getting approved, YouTube can disable monetization or even remove you from the partner program completely. So keep your channel clean, safe, and original. And finally, step 11 is expanding your revenue. Once you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you get access to features like channel memberships, super thanks, super chats, the YouTube Shopping tab, ad revenue sharing from shorts, and long-form ads. The Partner Program isn't just one income stream. It opens the door to multiple income streams. The more you use them, the more money you can make. So those are the complete steps to becoming a full YouTube partner. Create your channel. Upload consistently, hit the requirements, turn on security, follow the policies, apply, connect AdSense, get reviewed, get approved, and then start earning money while continuing to post the kind of content your audience loves. This is the path every creator has taken, and now you know exactly how to follow it step by step.